Bitcoin has been making waves in the market recently, breaking past the $73,000 mark, only a stone's throw away from its all-time high. This dramatic surge comes as investors react to the uncertainty surrounding the U.S. presidential election. The price of the flagship cryptocurrency has jumped more than 8%, reaching $73,179.99. Fueled by growing bets on the outcome of the race between former President Donald Trump and Vice President Kamala Harris. The election has had an undeniable impact on Bitcoin, with prices swinging in response to the early results and predictions. As Trump gained an early lead in the Electoral College, Bitcoin rallied, and so did the stocks of crypto-friendly companies such as Coinbase, which rose by 3%. While the major swing states were still undecided, traders are bracing for volatility, expecting Bitcoin prices to fluctuate until the election outcome is clear. Bitcoin's price could see massive gains or losses, depending on who emerges victorious. According to Ryan Rasmussen from Bitwise Asset Management, if Trump wins, Bitcoin could reach new all-time highs, surpassing the previous record of $73,800. This optimism stems from Trump's pro-crypto stance, which has led investors to view his potential presidency favorably for the digital asset. On the other hand, if Harris wins, Rasmussen predicts a short-term sell-off that could see Bitcoin prices dip below $60,000, as the Biden administration's tough regulatory approach could put downward pressure on the market. The connection between Bitcoin prices and political events is not new. In past election years, Bitcoin has seen significant returns post-election. For instance, following the 2020 election, the cryptocurrency soared by 145% in the 90 days after Election Day. This has often coincided with Bitcoin halving events, which reduce its supply and tend to drive prices up. The 2024 election year aligns with another halving cycle, making many market watchers expect a similar bullish trend. While Bitcoin prices have hovered near their fair value in the lead-up to the election, crypto quant analyst Julio Moreno suggests that if the election results act as a positive catalyst, Bitcoin could be on the verge of setting new records. The market is already anticipating further interest rate cuts, and many traders are keeping a close eye on how the election results could shift the broader economic landscape. This year's presidential race is one of the most significant for the crypto industry. Trump has courted the crypto community by positioning himself as a pro-crypto candidate, even stating that he wants to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. He has promised a more favorable regulatory approach, including replacing SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, who has been criticized for his tough stance on crypto. On the other hand, Harris's administration is seen as more cautious, with plans to regulate the industry while still encouraging innovation. Regardless of who wins, the future of Bitcoin remains bullish in the long term. Analysts are still confident that by 2025, Bitcoin could reach as high as $200,000, driven by growing institutional adoption and the rise of spot Bitcoin ETFs. However, for now, the immediate focus is on how the election results will affect the volatile market. It's clear that Bitcoin's price is closely tied to political events, and traders are bracing for a bumpy ride as the race to the White House continues to unfold. Stay subscribed for more videos.